Hi dear students, today we are going to be discuss one more topic. A topic is expressing feelings. This is related to first year, first semester, subject code 101. Expressing feelings. As we know, as we are human beings, we have different types of feelings. As human beings, we respond for any time, uh, for good or bad or anything. We have a popular adage or popular example. Every creature has a feelings, including I heard we can say that Jagadish Chandra Bose is a famous scientist told that include plants has feelings. So we know that animals has feelings, plants has feelings, but what about human beings? Human beings respond according to the situation. He respond express feelings, whether it is good or bad. uh, he expresses emotions like recollection, the experiencing affective and emotional states. Feeling is an emotional reaction, the experiencing of affective and emotional states. Emotion is a mental state that arises spontaneously rather than thorough conscious effort. For example, if a student scores unexpectedly good marks, if we asked that student's feeling, how you are feeling, what is your feeling is, spontaneously he says that, eventually he says that I am feeling happy, I am excited. Recently I asked a 10th class student. The student is an average student. He scored 10 by 10 GPA in his 10th class. I asked, I am feeling happy, I am feeling thrilled. Why? Because if the examination conducts by government of Telangana, he maybe scores 9.7 or 9.8 maybe. But government decided to cancel 10th SSC examination due to COVID-19. Government gave board state secondary board declared their results based on internal performance. In, as per internal performance, 1,40,000 students scored 10 by 10 GPA, which is compared to last year. Last year, 8,600 students are scored 10 by 10 GPA. I asked the first average student, he felt that I am feeling happy, I am feeling excited. In a similar way, I asked a brilliant student expressing his feelings sad. Why? Because in my class, average below average student got 10 by 10 GPA. I too got 10 by 10 GPA. What is the use of that? He expressed is angry, is emotions, uh, negative, it's the wrong way, government has to be conduct. Of course, health is wealth. If we alive, we can do anything. But the great interest of students' health, the government has cancelled the examinations. Coming to expressing feeling, whether it is a negative or positive. First student feeling very positive. He was scored 10 by 10 GPA. The second student expressed his feeling negative. So feelings or emotions, you will see that they can be. In the similar way, same way, there are some more feelings are there. Is one student expressed his jealousy. Is a poor student got a 10 by 10 GPA. Is it jealousy? It is also called as envy. If the first student may score 10 by 10 GPA, second student is feeling jealousy, that is envy, and first student feeling pride. If the examination may conduct, if some students may fail in the examination, that failed students' feelings are sad. That is called sadness. Some students, now we have the tendency of everyone one panic, that is about coronavirus. Everyone feeling to go outside, the fear of feeling, if we go outside, if I visit Hyderabad, if I visit Mumbai, if I visit Delhi, if I visit Pune, what will cut? I may caught coronavirus. So feeling fear. This feeling is called fear. Some people are expressing their anger. They are not. Government is not tested properly. Many victims are approaching government hospitals, but government they doesn't have doesn't have the proper equipment. They are not testing properly. The victims are expressing their anger towards the government. If a positive case might have tested later, again a negative one, how his feelings are? His feelings are a very happiness. Recently, I came to hear that one film actress, video serial actress caught COVID-19. She released a video. She expressed her feelings, her emotions, how she was feeling after she was tested as positive of COVID-19. Her feelings are very confident. I never bother about that COVID. I'm taking precautions. To overcome the COVID with confidence. I'm getting proper medication. So this is one kind of confidence. So we coming to negative or positive feelings: jealousy, envy, sadness, anger, fear. These are negative feelings. Happy, confidence, pride, thrilling, these are the positive feelings. So you might have understood that what is feeling. Feeling is an emotional reaction and experiencing of affective and emotional state. Similar way, emotion and feeling are similar meaning. That is a mental state that arises spontaneously rather than thorough conscious effect. So, feeling and emotions, you might have got the clearance, the difference between emotion and feeling. So, feelings are positive and negative. So, in what situations people express some of the feelings that you mentioned before. In the situations people express their feelings. For example, you might have broken the glass. You How your mother feelings are? Certainly your mother and father feelings are, they express their anger. Be cautious, take care while carrying glass items. Someone wishes you have new someone wishes you have uh, your new sneaker envy, that means never. Otherwise, the similar meaning, I would like to express a similar sentence. Someone greets you on your birthday. How do you feel? Feeling happy. In the similar way, I would like to mention one instance. Your father presented a bike on your birthday. How do you feel? Oh, very happy and thrilling. I feel happy and thrilling. Your feelings alike. For example, one beautiful girl is going to marry a handsome man. What is her feeling? What is their feelings are? Their feelings are happy. The marriage is always a happy state. Of course, after completion of marriage, their feelings are always, they might have quarrel each other every day. After that quarrel, every day is there a sad day for them. Am I right or wrong? That while marriage, before marriage, their feelings are happy. After marriage, their feelings are sad. Okay, unexpectedly you are going on the path towards your home at a midnight. There are no street lights. Someone wear looks a white dress that looks like a ghost. Someone saw like a ghost. How your feelings are? Tell me your feeling. Certainly your feeling is fear. I am fear. I don't want to go outside. Recently I asked to my boy to bring a milk packet outside at the night, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Oh dad, I am scaring. I feel fear. I don't want to go outside. Daddy, I have seen yesterday someone. Okay, we feel that that's a kind of feeling, fear. So we have many types of feelings. One by one, I would like to give some examples. If India, if India defeats, if India defeats in war, Pakistan in a war, how do you feel? How do you feel? Your feelings are, when Indians' feelings are pride, the Pakistan feelings are sad. The similar way, you are going by walk on your path. You smell a delicious. You smell a delicious biryani. Biryani smell is always everyone attracts it. You are feeling, how do you feel? Immediately your feelings are hungry. What is your feeling is? Hungry feeling. Okay, one day I would like to mention one more example. One example, you have seen a hard-working person, a boy in a hotel when you went to have breakfast in a hotel. A small below 10 years boy is working in a hotel, is cleaning vessels, cleaning tables. How do you feel? Our feelings are miserable. Miserable. So that is a one kind of feeling. Next, if you have you were scored first rank in ESET, how do you feel? Your feelings are very happy and confidence. You watched a popular movie, for example, based on I'm telling you feelings here, based on you given example slide. I'm expressing some examples. Uh, you okay. You are scored. You were scored uh, first rank in ESET. You were scored first rank in ESET. How do you feel? Very happy. Very happy. I feel you have to write like I feel happy. I feel joy. Like you were scored first rank. Generally, you feel very happy. If a parent saw his boy's daughter after a long time, how his feelings are? His feelings should be emotional. Emotional, that is love. The, the feeling between mother and father, feeling between child and mother, their feeling is love. For example, I would like to mention here anger. You asked your mother or your father some money, your pocket money. Your father declined. No, you are not studying properly. I don't want you to give pocket money. Today onward, this month onwards, I am going to cut your pocket money. How you are feeling, sir? Your feeling what is your feeling? Your feeling is anger. Meanwhile, I would like to mention your father presented a gift to your brother, but not you. On your birthday, your father presented a gift to your brother, but not you. Your feelings are anger, sad, multiple feelings. Why always my father, always my mother always gives priority to my brother only, not for me? It is anger and sadness. So, I hmm, take. I would like to mention some more example. You were scored very less marks. You were scored very less marks in a important examination. How your feelings are? Your feeling is always sad. Why? Because you are okay. Next, sad. You are prepared thoroughly for a examination. Unexpectedly, that examination has been postponed. How you are feeling? Sad or not? Sad. Your feeling is sad. One more example I would like to mention here. Your father presented a bike, presented to you a bike on your birthday. How do you feel? Generally, your father never gives anything you. But on the day of birthday, unexpectedly, your father presented a gift. That is like how you feeling very happy and surprise also. Surprise maybe? Go on, certainly. One more example I would like to mention. You are watching a horror movie in a dark night, dark midnight. You are watching horror movie. Your feelings are fear. Your feelings are fear. So feelings there we can express. We rank the feelings based on their or feelings range. For example, if you lost 100 rupees, your feeling is sad. Of course, you are unhappy. You lost 1 crore rupees. How your feeling is ranked or both are loss. But that is a very big loss for you, your family. That is a great miserable incident, in your life. So I feel that that is we can rank the feelings important. So if we lost valuable things, lost 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 valuable things, and family persons, our feelings are different. Certainly, we feel that sad, very sad. So unexpectedly, if someone hurt you with a making comment, you are a poor man, you are not good, you are worst fellow, something, someone abuses you. How do you feel? Your feelings are, you are sad and angry at that person. So multiple feelings you have. For example, if you won first prize in the running race, how do you feel? Thrilling, happy also. Okay, here recently you heard the news about the war between China and India at the banks of the Galwan River. There is a big loss for Indian Army. Near, Nearly 23 soldiers were killed by opponent armies. We have a big controversy on the frontier country with China. Always LAC troubles. So that was occurred. While the time, the feeling is always we are anger on the neighboring country, but as well as those who lost their lives, their family members feel very sad. Here, coming to our state, one Jawan, one commandant was passed away. The Santosh Kumar. Santosh Kumar, so parents made comment. All are born, all are gave birth for the persons, but I gave birth for a commandant, a warrior, a warrior. I feel proud of my boy. Of course, then they sad mood, but they had expressed their feeling like that, pride and multiple feelings. Right? But we should not expect some negative feelings like if a student scores first rank, if I feel sad, that person can say, is it right way? Wrong. Generally, the proper feelings we have to express. If your father present a bike, will you sad or happy? Certainly happy. If you express your feelings, I'm sad. My father gave only by motorbike, not car. It's not proper expressing feeling. So feelings are very very important. Meanwhile, I would like to mention one more example. That is example India defeated in the World Cup, Pakistan. How our Indians feelings are? Indians feel happy. Next, you are scored good marks expected than your score, very happy. Your mother asked to bring rice from a supermarket. How you feelings? There are many brands of rice are there. How do you feel there? Your feeling is confused there. If you go to a big shopping mall, there are many types of chocolates or many types of things are there. How, which one you select, you feel that you feel confused a little bit. That is a one kind of expression. Confused also expressing feeling. You read an article, a story, or an essay about the people, the old age people are suffering in a orphanage house. How do you feel? Your feeling is sad. Your neighbor congratulated you winning a prize in a running race. How do you feel? I feel happy. You have to say. You are invited to birthday party, your friend, but you forgot that birthday party. You went after 2 days. After 2 days to your birthday party with your gift. How do you feel? You feel ashamed, guilty. How this is a kind of feeling. Your sister didn't return from her college up to night 10 o'clock. She went to college and she didn't return for 10 o'clock. So you how do you feel? You feel tensed. That is our kind of feeling. Tense. Okay. The similar way, one more example, your exams are postponed.
ఒక్క నిమిషం డాడీ, ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు పాజ్.
Okay. Students, my friends, you are following me. Instead of going to college, you went to a movie. Instead of many example, I'm mentioning you. This is an important chapter. You are going to be get 3 marks, one question, 1 mark questions, one question, and you may get 5 marks question also. But 100% this unit has 4 marks weightage. That's why I'm giving number of examples to you. You went to, instead of going to, you went to a movie. The same movie, your uncle came to that movie and he sat beside you. How do you feel? Your feelings are 100% shame. Because you are bunked college and you went to movie, but your uncle, your parents thought that our student, our boy is preparing okay. So that's why I would like to tell that you feel shame. Here we have in our secondary emotion, this is called these are the, I would like to mention here, passion, optimism, passion. You can see the picture also. Passion, optimism, irritation, disgust, shame, nervousness. These are also one some type of feelings and emotions. Here you went to movie and your uncle came to, that is you, there you feel shame. Okay. Your father always due to in the corona moment, your father is always asking to read. How do you feel? Your feeling, secondary emotion is irritation. My father always says irritation or not. Okay. So if one boy is aspiring to get good rank in the ESET, aspiring to get seat in IIT or NIT, this is called optimism. Of course we didn't have here the irritation. Next, if a student fail or go on failing a important examination many times. How his feelings are? Nervous. I think he might have loses interest on his education. So we should not give such a kind of bad feelings for create that experience is a fear. If experience is a fear, the secondary emotions would be feel threatened or feel anger, depending on the situation we are experiencing. Now you are going to see some flashcard with faces that expresses some feelings or emotions. See how he is feeling. See, here is an unpleasant emotion that you have when you are frightened or worried by something dangerous, painful, or bad that a happening might happen. His feelings, this person's feelings will be fear. If a dinosaur comes, boy, feel fears. If you see a snake in the night, how do you feel? Fear. So this is a feeling fear. So a strong feeling, that is anger. I would like to mention here anger. A strong feeling which you make you want to hurt someone or be unpleasant because something unfair or hurt that you are your or that your happiness, that is feeling. For example, someone abused you, your friend. You feel that anger. You feel anger. You are you are watching. I would like to mention bore. Bore is a one kind of feeling. Bore also one kind of feeling. For example, you are not watching a favorite hero's movie, but that is not interesting. How do you feel? You get certainly you get boring. That is a boring also one kind of feeling. Here we had a lot of experience. We were feeling in a different kind of feelings, emotions. Anger, here is anger. uh, you are feeling you, yes, here is anger, sadness. If you one of your family members passed away, how do you feel? You feel sadness. You if someone break up with his beloved, that is also sadness. Okay. Pride. I would like to here mention pride. You won the first prize in the state level debate competition. You won the first prize in the state level debate competition on the event of National Voters Day. How do you feel? There are many competitors are there, but you got first prize in the electrician competition. How do you feel? You feel pride and also very happy. Okay. There was here we can one more confidence. I would like to mention here is one kind of feeling is confidence. Here we can express our feelings with giving a shake hand. If a student scores go on getting good ranks in his examinations, his confidence level is high. Here we can see the one picture. The person's confidence level is one person is carrying their way of shake hand. There we can with their shake hand they are denoting confidence. Their feeling is confidence. Okay. Here one more picture for you. You saw a ghost. The ghost it is certainly you feel fear, jealousy. So Your father presented a gift to your sister, not to you. How do you feel? You feel jealousy also. Your friend scored good marks, not you, in the good examination. How do you feel? Jealousy. Jealousy is a one kind of dangerous disease. You leave it. Okay. Next, there is an announcement of bomb, tricking in the bomb. Fear. I would like to mention one kind of one example for fear. There was a bomb tricking in the railway station. You are in the railway station. That railway station. How do you feel? Fear. Next, happiness. So, how do you feel on your birthday? Your friends came. Your friends are presenting gifts, chocolates, prizes, and your father presented you a new dress. Your mother presented you a laptop or a tab. Your grandma, grandpa presented you a mobile. On occasion of your getting 10 by 10 GPA. How do you feel? The mood should be, the mood will be, your feeling should be happiness. Okay. Here I would like to suggest you some score practice. If your neighbor bought a car, not you, but he never asked you for any time lift, how do you feel? Envy. Is envy is such a kind of it's a one kind of envy, jealousy. So next, how to control our anger? This is not in our we this anger will continues forever. We may get mental diseases. So for students, I suggest you don't get anger for longer time. Leave it, anger. So control your anger, control your feelings. Sometimes our feelings may hurt others, so you try to control your anger. Next, I would like to controlling a short-term anger. It's a anger. So you have to take a long breath and leave it. As soon as you recognize that you are angry, break it. Break the unnecessary. You have to give a small break. Take a small break, so your anger will be removes. Next, go to happy place. If you wanted to develop good feelings, you go for nature. It still doesn't work. Remember, the best time for you have spent. Remember every happy situation possible if you can. It's happy is a mind, sad is a mind. The mind is itself is a heaven or hell. So you create a good environment, good company that will makes you happy feelings. Happy place, create your okay. Next, practice positive self-talk. I would like to tell that self-talk. If you failed in one subject, your friend, you need not disgrace and need not feel sad. I failed in one subject. Don't feel fear. I can score next year the more good marks in that field. Otherwise, this is called a self-talk. Ask for the support of the sometime trust you. You have to take help from others. Some ask your parents. I need some more time. I will prove myself in the next forthcoming examination. So that is a good practice. Some you maintain some humor in your day-to-day life. Controlling long-term anger is a very leads to mental disease. Engage a physical activity. You go for these are the tips actually not related to our context in the lesson. Only you have to express your feeling. That's all. Your feelings and others feel about you. If you go score first rank, but your friend is last rank in the class, Your friend feels envy, jealousy towards you, but you feel very happy. So to control our long-term anger, you have to engage in physical activities, of practicing yoga or going for a walk every day. That's a good for a good relief for one. Oh, that is one kind of feeling. Keep a general or upsets you, and how you plan to fix it all. See a mental health professional. If you are longer is you see a doctor, mental um, psychologist like that. So that is a very good. Choose a good company. Okay. Control your emotions. Your emotions will control you, or else or if you are not able to control your emotions controls you. So control your emotions. Tell your feelings properly. Okay, you should have. So happiness here how happiness she looks very happy. Emotion is experienced when you feel satisfaction. If you desire something, if you get it, certainly you feel pleasure, happy. Okay, next.
Short.
Okay, students. So feelings are very very important. Everyone we have feelings. So you practice it, express your feelings. Your feelings are in a positive way, in a negative way. Leave the negative feelings and develop the positive feelings. Your feelings are very very important. So I would like to give you a small assignment. Write on your paper, write an essay on express your feelings uh, at the time of lockdown 1 so how your feelings, there is no shops, no entertainment, sometimes no power, no TV connections, no taps, no network. How you write an essay? These based on these uh, hints you have to develop a passage. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you. That's all for you. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you very much for listening patiently for my class.